Hi, my name is Aman Kumar and this is a demo for Work at a Startup Automation desktop app built using Electron, React, TypeScript, Tailwind, ShadCN, Playwright and some local LLMs. We are using Gamma 3 as generative model and Quen 3 is embedding model. To start the app, and we will run a simple command npm run dev. You can see that it's built using Electron and Beat. So it will build the environment and our Electron app will be started. You can see it is listening on the port, and here we go. So the app is launched here. So this left side is built using React, Tailwind and ShadCN, while the right side is overlaid by Work at a Startup's website. These are possible because Electron uses Chromium underneath and can act like a browser. Now when you open the app for the first time, you have to do two things manually. First is logging into your Work at a Startup's account. You can see that I have already logged in using a temporary account. And the second thing you have to do is you have to upload your resume. So I will click the select resume button and I will upload a temporary resume here. Now the resume will be passed using PDF parser package. Now Gamma 3 will generate a clear hypothetical job persona for the person. But you might think that why do we need a job persona? So the thing is, if we generate embeddings directly based on resume, they will not be very good because resumes contain too much noise. They contain details like a person's email ID, a person's location, or people often tend to like add details that are not that much relevant to it. Like if I have even a basic experience in Python, I will add it to the resume. But what Gamma 3 do is it analyzes your projects, it analyzes your experience, and based on that it generates a hypothetical job description for which you will be fit. If you see here, this is the persona generated by Gamma 3, that we are seeking a highly motivated junior software engineer. Now if you had generated embeddings based on resume, you might not have encountered this term, the junior term specially. But it is analyzed, your resume is analyzed by Gamma 3 and based on that it generated a persona, so it will generate really good embeddings now. If you see here, we get logs here for everything. First of all, the resume was getting uploaded. Now the resume is uploaded and passed. So both resume and the embeddings are stored in local storage because again Electron is using Chromium. So now that's it. Your manual work is done. Every time you open the app and you can click start applying, you can just sit back and relax and it will apply jobs for you. But before that, one thing to notice is YC only shows you jobs which it thinks are suitable for you, which often misses many important ones. Like if you see here, for this particular person, there are very few jobs listed here. But if you open the company page, you will see many jobs that are actually indeed relevant to the person. So now when we click start applying, what Playwright automation do is, it will go to a company page, then embedding model jumps in. Embedding model will first analyze the job title. If the job title is relevant to the user's embedding, it will create a matching percentage, and if the job title match satisfies a threshold, like currently it is 45%, then it will let it pass. We have currently set the job embedding threshold 45%, so that because it's generous enough now, because sometimes the job title is not very good, but when we go to the job description and analyze it, it sometimes align with the user. So firstly, the embedding model will create a job match percentage based on the title, and it will filter out those titles which are completely irrelevant. Now let's see what happens when we click start applying. So we click start applying. You can see the logs here. It will choose the first company. It will scroll down to the jobs. Then first it will match the title. If the title is relevant to the user, only that it will go to the, it will open the job. You can see it's a 53% match, so it's a good match. So it will continue and it opened the job. But it was a bad match inside, 34% only. So let's see. The other title was not very relevant to the resume. Okay, this time the title matched and the job description also matched. So now the Gamma 3 will generate the Quen 3's embedding models work is over here. Gamma 3 will generate a personalized cover letter based on user's resume and the job description. The speed of this depends on the model you are using, and also if you are using a local model, it depends on your system specs. We will wait for a few seconds. Till then, we can see their logs are completely detailed. First it connected to the browser, then it started automation loop, then it found 10 companies, then it checked a company, then it found 4 jobs in that company. It matched the title. It analyzes the job description only if the title is good. You can see that our model have started generating the cover letter, which is completely personalized. Let it generate it. But even after it generates it, it will not hit send. That is intentionally done by us, because first thing is that it is currently in testing phase. We are not using very high quality models. Second thing is we don't want to bother the founders when we don't actually want to apply. So once it completes writing, it will just go back to the previous job page. You can see that it generated and it have also pasted it here and it came back. So hope you liked the demo. It took me 4 complete days to build this, and next I'm planning to add backend so that we can see anytime what applications it sent to different companies. Thank you.